Hello friends. Today we'll discuss how to speak in English fluently and confidently.
Self-introduction presentation, and I talked about the importance of relating who you are to your audience to make sure.
Friends, to speak in English, we have to follow some guidelines. To speak fluently in English with correct pronunciation, here are some tips that if you follow them, you will speak in English fluently.
Pediatric speech language pathologist at St. Joe's. So I work with kids under the age of 6 who have been identified as having some sort of speech or language or developmental difficulty. So this may be something like they have trouble finding their words or using words or understanding. It may be that they have a learning disability or some other developmental problem.
The first guideline is practice regularly. Consistent practice is key to improving your English fluency and pronunciation. Set aside dedicated time every day for speaking in English.
Okay, I'm going to introduce Kalu,
Yes,
who is at the Gwalior Fort,
yes.
and he knows how many languages?
I know 5 and 6 languages, sir.
5 and 6 language.
If you want,
So can you
I-
just introduce yourself and tell us more about this place?
Okay. So now you go. I speak in Spanish language.
Either with a language partner, a tutor, or even by talking to yourself in front of a mirror. Practice talking to people or yourself every day. Second point is listen to native English speakers. Surround yourself with English by listening to native speakers, watch movies, TV shows, or listen to podcasts, songs, and audiobooks in English. Pay attention to the pronunciation and try to mimic the way they speak. It means you practice in the way you listen to. Third point is repeat after native speakers. Repeating words, phrases, and sentences after native English speakers. Pay attention to those pronunciation and try to imitate them. Focus on the rhyme, rhythm, stress, and intonation of their speech. Dear friends, fourth point is use pronunciation resources. Use online resources such as pronunciation website, apps, and YouTube videos that focus on improving English pronunciation. These resources often provide exercise and drills to help you practice different sounds and intonation. In process of improving your English language, fifth point is record yourself speaking. Use a recording device or a voice recording app on your phone to record yourself speaking in English. Listen to the recording and compare it with the pronunciation of native speakers. Identify areas where you need to or you need improvement and work on them. Dear friends, sixth point is learn phonetics and phonology. Understand the sounds, the stress pattern, and rhythm of English language by studying phonetics and phonology. Learn about consonant and vowel sounds, syllable stress, and word stress pattern. This knowledge will help you improve your pronunciation. And thus, the seventh point is work on individual sounds. Work on your sounds. Identify specific sounds in English that you find challenging and practice them individually. Focus on sounds that are not present in your native language. Practice tongue twisters, minimal pairs exercise, and word drills to improve your command over these sounds. Dear friends, practice makes a man perfect. So don't forget to practice. Eighth point is seek feedback. Regularly seek feedback from native English speakers or language experts. They can identify areas where you need improvement and provide guidance on how to correct your pronunciation. Joining English speaking clubs or finding language exchange partner can also be very beneficial to you. So, your partner may help you understand better. Ninth point is slow down and enunciate. When you speak consciously, slow down and enunciate your words. This will help you maintain clarity and reduce mistakes. Gradually, increase your speed as you gain confidence and fluency. Speaking English is much better. Be patient and persistent. Improvement in pronunciation takes time. So be patient with yourself and keep practicing. Stay motivated and remain yourself that practice. Remind yourself to practice, and consistent effort will lead you to progress. Remember, friends, fluency and correct pronunciation in English comes with regular practice, exposure to the language, and a willingness to improve. Keep practicing and don't be afraid to make mistakes. This is all for today. We'll see you again in next episode. Thank you so much.